In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove video background in Canva. If you've accidentally set a video as the background in your Canva design, don't worry, this is a quick fix. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and offer a few helpful tips so you can avoid common mistakes. First, open the Canva project where the issue is happening. Give the page a moment to load so everything is selectable. Now, make sure you're on the exact page where the video is stuck as the background. If you're working with a multi-page design, click the correct page in the page panel so it's the one in focus. Here's how you can tell the video is set as the background. When you click the page, the entire canvas is highlighted, and the video can't be moved independently like a normal element. It fills the whole page edge to edge, and you won't see the usual blue bounding box handles around it. That's your signal that it's attached to the background layer. Now for the fix. Right-click directly on the canvas area of that page. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. From the context menu that appears, choose Detach Video from Background. The moment you click that, Canva lifts the video off the background and turns it back into a regular, movable element on your canvas. That's it. You've removed the video from the background. If you don't see the detach option, make sure you click the page itself and not a different element. Try clicking on an empty area of the page and right-clicking again. Also, wait a second for the menu to populate if your internet connection is slow. After detaching, you'll notice a couple of things. The video will now have a selection box around it, which means you can move it, resize it, or place it wherever you want in your layout. Your page background will revert to the default background color or whatever background was there before the video was attached. This is different from removing a video's subject background. You're not erasing anything inside the video itself. You're simply unhooking it from the page's background layer. A quick recap: open your project, select the page with the issue, right-click, and choose Detach Video from Background. Simple, precise, and effective. Once you've done that, your design is back under your control, and Canva will auto-save the change. That's all you need to know to detach a video from the background in Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.